Hello and welcome to AFT 24/7. So this is the first day of 9th edition of Global Fashion and Design Week, and here we are present at a very amazing exhibition done by interior design students. So can you please tell us your name?
Anmol Gupta.
Okay, so can you tell me a little about your design and what have you presented here? What it says about?
This is a bar chest.
Okay.
Okay. It can also be used as a center table, and because it's very portable, it's mobile. So this is inspired by the 14th century Cormoran heritage, Swahili Arab craftsmanship.
Oh, wow.
And it's handcrafted with wood and detailed with the brass medallions. This is the basically glass storage and the bottles, and we can use it to mix and make the drinks also. If we have the puffies, its name is basically Majlis, which means a gathering place. So it is derived with the concept of tradition, hospitality, and togetherness.
Okay.
Thank you.
So can you let us know that how much time did it take to put it all together and represent here for this? You must have been preparing for this day from a very long time. So how much time did it really take?
A month.
A month.
Yes.
Okay. And what would you think that this made this part of the exhibition very different from others?
सबने उतनी ही मेहनत की है.
Maybe because it's traditional.
Yes. It's thoroughly derived from the Cormoran heritage and its tradition from the 14th century. The medallions, the detailing, it is all even the concept, the trunk concept. It was used for for the trading, for trading spices and textiles in that century. So I took the concept and
you improvised it.
Yes, turned it into a bar chest.
Okay. Lastly, I'd like to ask you, how much did it cost you?
Okay, with the whole setup, including the transportation, it was around 30.
Oh wow! So we congratulate you on your amazing display over here, and we would like to see much more work. And with that, so to keep watching more updates on Global Fashion and Design Week, please keep watching AFT 24/7 Noida. I'm Vedika with camera person Prasuk Jain.